Hi and hello, my name is Yui and I just came out of an ice bath. As you see, I'm still wet, I have some goosebumps everywhere because it was nicely cold, but I'm absolutely okay. And if you want to be okay even when it's cold in wintertime, then you are at the right place, because I will train you and guide you so that you won't suffer from cold feet in the winter. There will be no cold feet in the winter. You don't have any cold hands in the winter. You don't struggle when it gets cold. You don't feel really, oh, it's so cold and no wonder I have no energy. No, I will show you and guide you the whole process from where you are until enjoying an ice bath and enjoying cold showers and really enjoying and making the cold your new best friend, because with these cold training and ice training you will recover really quick from whatever exercising you do, whatever stress you have in life. You will recover in no time. It's unbelievable, I know, but you will experience this here when we do the program together. And on top of that, I will guide you the whole process, how to do it very easily, how to go into an ice bath, into an icy lake or in a very cold river, how to enjoy cold showers, because we will do breathing techniques and meditations, and with all this we will change your biochemistry to really be ready for the cold. And I will show you tricks and cheats, really how we use temperature receptors in our body, in your body, to really go into an ice bath and a cold shower very quickly and very comfortable without feeling a lot of pain or things like this. I will show you how to trick that, how to cheat that, and really that your body gets comfortable with the cold. And this is really cool because then you can enjoy winter much more, and you will be able to go into the snow, play in the snow, even barefoot, with no big deal at all. Yes, how cool sounds that? You like the idea? Yes, I will show you how it works. I was in the mountains, in the snow at minus 50 degrees, just walking up there, hiking there, with only boots and short pants, no t-shirt at all. And with all these techniques that I'm showing you, this is possible for you as well, and it will be amazing. It will be unbelievable, really, and you will enjoy wintertime even more. So if you want to get ready for winter, because winter is coming soon, then book my program and we will see each other there, and we will make the cold your best friend. So I can't wait, and see you in the program.